Peace and blessings. Welcome to Rita Be Creative. In today's video, we share the installation of a marble vanity and polished brass waterfall faucet with crystal knobs as our bathroom powder room makeover series continues. If you missed any of the other videos in this series, we have a convenient playlist located in the iCards and thumbnail link at the end of this video. This video is not sponsored. Check the description box for more information as well as affiliate links. In the last video, the bathroom was stripped of all fixtures, the vanity top was removed, the walls received a fresh coat of paint, and the back wall was treated with a beautiful but subtle metallic wallpaper. The vanity included the matching marble backsplash. The crystal knobs are easily released from the valve using the included Allen wrench. The valve will be installed underneath the vanity and the washer, cover, and crystal knobs will be reconnected. This is the setup of each piece that will be connected to the water supply and installed underneath the vanity. Everything will be properly tightened during the actual install. The fitting in this middle section will be unscrewed and screwed onto the faucet, then installed through the middle hole from the top of the vanity, which will be demonstrated shortly. Tighten using the large hex nut The caps were only to be screwed onto the top portion of the valve. We had to unscrew the caps, as seen here, and tighten from underneath the vanity. The knobs are reattached using the Allen wrench to tighten and hold in place. We are loving the look of this waterfall faucet and beautiful marble vanity. The installation of the pop-up drain with hair catcher will be seen in the next video. He that believeth on me, as the scripture has said, out of his belly shall flow rivers of living water. John 7, verse 38. We trust this video was useful. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, stay safe and be